Hi there, it's Hillary and welcome back for another Creative Faith video. Today's video I am talking and working in my Happy Planner Fall Junk Journal. And this is actually a question that one of you guys asked. You said, so now you've put this together, now what do you do with it? So I thought I would show you guys how I've been using it, as well as do a few processes in here. So basically, there are three sections: faith, fall, and Thanksgiving. So you can kind of see, here's the faith section, and then I have fall, and then I have Thanksgiving. And so the faith section is where I've been working through my fall devotion kits. So I have Dancing Leaves and Seasons of Prayer in here, but the one that I worked through is Harvest Time. And I forgot to mention, I do have a setup video where I show how I set this up that I'll link in the description box below. So I also have a fall product and printables roundup blog post that I'll link in the description box below too, that shows all of my printables and products that are fall related. So I will also link Dancing Leaves and Seasons of Prayer Fall in the description box, as well as Harvest. So Harvest Time is my newest fall printable devotion, and I use this really awesome clip from Flourish by Gigi. This heart also came from her, and so I will link her Instagram. That's where she does her sales on clips and things. And I also have this one that I was going to add to my journal too. Look how cute it is. It's a candy corn. So I love having clips and things sticking out of the top. So I worked through the Harvest printable, and so basically the devotion, I use it for underlining and highlighting and writing out verses and things like that. I decorated it with some Happy Planner stickers too. And then I worked through some of the going deeper questions here. So that is kind of the faith section, is a place where I can use this to go through my printable kits. The fall section I am using for, there were actually a few more things I wanted to share with you guys that I've done in here. Just have to find them. Let's see. Here. So I used, this is my fall mugs printable, and you can see I've decorated some of the pages, but I used it to write out a prayer, which I think turned out really pretty. And then October is Breast Cancer Awareness Month, as well as Domestic Violence Awareness Month. And so I have some pink printables in my shop. And I use this to write out a prayer just about breast cancer, and I lost my grandma to breast cancer when I was really little, and so using it for that. And then I have pages where I can write out more prayers or write out Bible verses. And then I did the same thing for Domestic Violence Awareness Month. I actually have a free printable called Restore Your Royalty that I will link on my blog, and it has these royal girls. And the same thing, I used it to write out a prayer, and then I have a spot that I can write out these Bible verses. So that's how I've been using the faith section. So then this next section, fall, is where I'm going to do some memory keeping. I call it low-key memory keeping because I am not like a professional scrapbooker by any means, but I do like memory keeping. And so all I do is I print out pictures on white sticker paper, so it makes it easy to put down, and mostly of me and my sweetie. Here's from Fall Festival at Church with my aunt and uncle and cousins. This is on Halloween. We did a candy shoot, and it was a blast. Our pumpkins, our fall decorations. we went to this thing called the Fruit Loop in Oregon. It's in Hood River, and we went apple picking. This was we did an outdoor socially distant youth group where we carved pumpkins. There's my little husband as a giant chocolate chip cookie. We celebrated my mom's birthday. So I just print out all of these pictures, and here's Juan trying candy corn for the first time. So anyways, I print out all these pictures, and then I have all this different memorabilia, and so I am going to work on a few pages, a few memory keeping pages for you guys. So I'm going to put the video on fast forward now and jump in and do some documenting. Alright, so it got a little dark while I was filming, and you can see I still have a stack of stuff that I want to put in here, and I still have more pictures that I wanted to print, but I wanted to show you guys what I did so far in here. So I love how this spread turned out. I love this picture of Juan and I with the fall leaves and the first pumpkin spice latte of the season, and I added these little die cuts. And then this is a free fall journaling card you guys can get on my blog. I'll link that in the description box below. And this little 3D sticker. And then this was a really fun day where we made fall cookies and crafts and things with my family. And then this was a little spread about Halloween. We did the candy tube at my parents, had s'mores in the fireplace, and it was just a really fun day. And then this is, I still want to add some more elements from the Fruit Loop, but here is a postcard and some pictures. I added some stickers and die cuts. So cute. And then this is a spread from Fall Festival at church, and I added these little pictures. One of the families gave me a Starbucks gift card, which was so incredibly sweet, so I definitely wanted to add that in there. And a little prayer of gratitude for how much fun Fall Festival was. And I'm going to make everything around me beautiful, and that will be my life. And I have this little picture of my caramel apple cider and my favorite candy corn sweatshirt, my my cozy beach slippers. This is a picture from the beach, and I put this tea bag next to it that says relax, because that is just kind of what our trip to the beach this fall represented to me. And then I have a few other spots that I prepared to do some more journaling later on. So we love these Pillsbury ready to bake cookies, and so I cut up the box from the Halloween one, as well as the box from the pumpkin pie Pop-Tarts. So I just thought those were fun, pumpkin-y fall treat memories that I could use for journaling. And then this came from a thank you card, and I thought that would be cute in here too. So that is what I did. So really simple, low-key memory keeping, but such sweet memories. It has been such a wonderful fall so far with my sweetie, and just celebrating God's goodness, even though it's been a different fall than we anticipated. So Let me know if you guys would like to see a complete flip through of this at the end of fall when I'm done. Let me know if you'd like to see that in the comments below. Thank you guys for watching. Be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell notification so you don't miss out on any Creative Faith videos, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!